Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, I want to say you warm exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands, put on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay children, coming to the point. Before entering the topic, I want to say you good habit. Yes. What is that good habit today? Yes, I will say you listen. See, while you are eating, don't talk. And don't watch the TV while you are eating. Understood children? That is main thing you should learn. See what you are eating. You watching TV means. Yes, that's why whatever you are eating food, you should see that food and you should eat. Don't see there, here and eating. That is not good for health also. How much you are eating, you only don't know. That's why. Understood? How much you want, that much only you should eat. More if you eat, what will happen? Digestion problem will come. That's why. Okay children? While you are eating, don't watch TV and don't talk. Understood? Learn this. Children, previous chapter, what is that? Subtraction. New chapter. Today I will start chapter number 6. Time. Yes. See, we will do so many activities throughout the day. Yes. You know, day and night. How it will come? Day how it will come, night how it will come? Because of sun. As when sun will rise, we will call that day. When sun will set, we will call that as a night. As see, we will do so many activities such as do morning, early in the morning doing brush. As after that, what will do? Bathing. After that, eating breakfast. After that, going to school. Yes, everything we will do in the school works. In the school we will do homework, classworks, everything we will do in the school. After that, we will eat in the lunch time. Yes, after that, afternoon, what we will do? We will go to ground and we will play in the ground. Yes, again bell rang, what we will do? We will come to home and we will again dress up and we will go to tuition. Everything we will do. Now last year we did this all. But this year we can't do anything because of corona. We are not doing anything. We are in home. We are doing in that all in the home only. Yes. You are seeing time. Yes or no? What time will sleep, what time will eat, everything you will be watching or not? No, no one is watching time because of you are in home. What time we can do anything. Yes or no? Like that. But you should use time. Time sense. You know time sense? In time you should complete your homework. In time you should complete your classwork. If you do like that, if you follow like that, if you follow the time, you can't waste time. Yes or no? That's why you should follow the time, children. Everyone should follow the time. See, open your textbook. See, here they given some activity. Yes, in that activities, tick the activities that makes more time in each of the following pair. See, here they given two pairs. Which activity will take more time? That one you should tick. Understood, children? You should tick that. Okay? See, you know, sun will rise. Yes, sun. This is sun. Yes, it will rise. Again, it will sunset. It will happen. Yes, this is day. This is night. Yes, these two. One day. Yes, one day. One day is equal to 24 hours. See here, children. This is clock. Yes, in this clock, how many numbers are here? 12 numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 numbers. 12 numbers. See, this is morning. See, morning and evening. See, morning 12 to AM. AM will call. Yes, 12 AM to 12 PM. PM means what? Midnight 12 o'clock is 12 AM. Afternoon 12 PM is PM. Afternoon 12 is PM. Understood? Midnight 12 is AM. Afternoon 12 is PM. Understood, children? See, how many hours it will take for one day? 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours. Understood, children? 24 hours makes one day. Understood? See, like that only. See, how many days it will take one week? 7 days. 7 days is equal to 1 week. As see, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. As 7 days is equal to 1 week. As 4 weeks, 3 or 4 weeks. 3 or 4. 3 or 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. Understood? What I am saying? See, 3 or 4 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. Understood, children? 12 months is equal to 1 year. I will see this all in the calendar. Understood? You know calendar? Everyone has calendar. Yes? See, this is called calendar. Yes? In this calendar, we can say days of the week and month of the year. Understood? Months of the year and days of the weeks. See, for example, how many days are there in the week? 7 days. Yes? What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, what are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, one day. One day means what? 24 hours. Yes, 7 days is equal to 1 week. 4 or 3 weeks is equal to 1 month. 12 months is equal to 1 year. As 7 days. 7 days. What are they? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are days of the week. Understood? Days of the week. Write in the class work. You should write in the class work. See children, they given here 2019 calendar. Yes, what are the months they given here? Every year has 12 months. Yes, what are they? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months? 12 months. Yes. First month. What is it? First month? January is the first month. Second month? February. Third month? March. Fourth month? April. Fifth month? May. Sixth month? June. Seventh month? July. Eighth month? August. Ninth month? September. 10th month? October. 11th month? November. 12th month, December. Now in which month we are here? 11th month. What is that? November. Yes. Now what is the date today? Date, tell me. November 2nd. Okay. See, I will write on the board. You should write in the classwork. Okay. Months names. Okay. January. February. March. April. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. See, you should write in the classwork. See, first month January, second month February, third month March, fourth month April, fifth month May, sixth month June, seventh month July, eighth month August, ninth month September, 10th month October, 11th month November, 12th month December. As write in the classwork ma. You should learn this. You should learn these spellings also. Understood? Children, you should observe this calendar. 2019 calendar here they given. Yes, calendar is another way to read time. It is shown time in the days, weeks and months. Days are given column wise and dates are given row wise. As some calendars shown days row wise and dates column wise. Some, see, you should observe the calendar and you should check how they given the days and dates. Understood? One month is equal to how many days will come? See, observe the calendar in January. In January month, how many days are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Yes. How many days are there? 31 days. Yes, in January month, how many days? 31 days. See, look at the bookmark. See, February month, how many days are there? 28 days. Yes, total, how many are there? 28. March, how many days are there? 31 days. April, how many days are there? 30 days. May, how many days are there? 31. June, how many days are there? 30. July, how many days are there? 31. Yes, look at the book and see. August, how many days are there? 31. Yes, September, 30. October, 31. November, 30. December, 31 days. Yes, see, once check your calendar and you should observe that. See, Sunday, Mondays, how they given. See, I will write on the board, okay? June month I will write. June month, okay? See, first they given Sunday. Sorry. Monday. Tuesday. Full spelling they didn't give. They gave only short form, okay? Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, they given like this. S. First day, where it will start? June month. See, in the June month, where it will start? First day, Saturday. One is Saturday. First day is Saturday. Yes. Second day, Sunday. Third day, Monday. Tuesday, fourth day. Fifth day, Wednesday. Thursday, sixth day. Seventh day, Friday. Eighth day, Saturday. Again, ninth, Sunday. Monday, 10. Tuesday, 11. 12th, Wednesday. 13, Thursday. 14, Friday. 15, Saturday. Again. Sixteen, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. See, 29 after that again Sunday came. S 30. How many days? Total days? June 30 days. S column finished. Yeah, again it came here because here not one more column you can draw means that is not good. That's why here they wrote. Understood? See here, June month. S C. How many days here? 30 days. Total how many days? 30 days. S. In this Wednesdays, how many Wednesdays are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Wednesdays. What are they? 5th, 12th, 19th and 26th. Yes, these are Wednesdays. On Wednesdays. Yes. How many Wednesdays? 4 Wednesdays. What are they? 5th, 12th, 19th, 26th. Understood? See, how many Mondays are here? 1. See, Monday, here Monday, yes. Down, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Mondays, yes. Mondays how many? 4. What are they? 3rd, 10th, 17th and 24th. Yes, like that only. Watch there, Saturdays. How many Saturdays are there? How many Saturdays are there? See, how many Saturdays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Saturdays. How many Saturdays? Saturdays how many? 5. What are they? 1st, 8th, 5th, 22nd and 29th. Yes. How many Saturdays are there? 5 Saturdays. What are they? 1st, 8th, 15th, 22nd, 29th. How many Sundays are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Sundays. What are they? 2nd, 9th, 16th, 23rd, 30. Understood, children? Like that, if they ask any question, you should see the calendar properly and you should do the answer. Understood? Not only this month, any month if they ask, you should see the calendar properly and you should say the answer. Understood? Copy in the calendar in the classwork ma. This calendar, whatever I gave na, June month, that one only copy. Okay?